Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the Blox fruit server. So for this you have to go to the Discord, and if you have downloaded the app, you can simply go to the Discord app, or you can go to the Chrome browser, and then when you are in the Chrome browser you have to go to the search for discord.com. After you in the Discord, then what you need to do is go to the add a server in the left hand side. Then here you have to choose the join a server, and if you have an invitation link you can simply paste it here, or if you don't have, then what you can do is just type in the Blox fruits here you can see Blox fruit, then you have to click on join server. After that it will take a couple of seconds, and here you can see we have already joined the server here. But if in some cases, if that's not if you cannot join the account, join the server because there are too many members and the member limitations is too much high, then what you can do is go to the browser, then you have to search for the Blox fruit Discord server function from here. And after that, when you are in the here, you have to choose the first option from here. After you click on the first option, here you will get the option of accept invite. If you click on the accept invite, then it will simply take you to that app, take you to the Discord app, and then you can simply join to the Blox fruit Discord server. But make sure that the Discord server is can be seems to be full many times. But in many cases, if that's the case, that you have to try different times in a day to join that server by clicking on the join server, because many people leave the join and leaves and join the channel. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.